We are out on another adventure today. Where are we going?
Diggerland!
Diggerland!
None of us want to go.
Connor's been dying to come to Diggerland for ages, haven't you, Poggy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we go check it out?
Yep.
Let's go check it out. So today at Diggerland there is a one-way system, as you can see. So they just want you to follow the arrows around and make your way around the park. Stereo is very loud here. Everyone's doing their hands.
So you can drive those ones.
Yeah, we can drive the diggers.
Oh my god, you can actually pick up, yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on, baby.
Cool. Good. Actually go in an excavator. Are you gonna go in an excavator, Connor?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, they look so cool, doesn't it?
Yeah. I want to go on that one.
Yeah, should we see if you're big enough?
Yeah.
Let's go. With Jamie digging their way through Diggerland. Each of the things has fun facts about the vehicles that the kids are using.
Yeah. I will want to do that.
You do it, baby. So every time someone goes on any of the attractions, they're clean straight away afterwards, which is very good. Wow, look, Connor. Oh, here we go, gotta go down. Whoop. Oh, there we go. No, we don't, Connor. There we go, let me put it in, and then we go up. Ta-da, we've got some dirt, Connie.
Yeah.
Then we go over here, and then we tip it. Oh, wrong way. No, 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 no. Oh, no. Got it. Oh, we did it. Woo! You're doing very good. Daddy and Lella over there. Oh, yeah, Lella's getting...
Double up, double up.
Daddy and Lella are doing better than we are, baby. Jamie's over there. Oh, well done, Lella. I know, look at Jamie, he's doing good. And look, Daddy and Lella. I know, but they're all doing so well, aren't they? Yeah, we have to wait for them. The girl Maximus is here. Should we go check what Maximus is doing? Wow, look at Jamie's big hole. Jamie's good at that, isn't he? Look. Well done, Jamie. Yeah. Oh, didn't it? Maximus, they work side to side as well as backwards and forwards. Well done.
Becky.
Outwards, out, out. That's it. I know. How was it?
You like it? You like it?
Yeah? Are you going to be a builder? Yeah? Way!
Come on. Yeah.
I'm going to go on this. You can go on this too, baby, yeah?
Yeah. Say hi, mommy.
Oh, look! Look, Connor, this is what it does. Whee! Daddy, put your seatbelt on. Wow, you gotta do the driving, Connor. You gotta push the button. You gotta push it with your foot as well. Yeah, so you'll be doing that. The lady will turn it on in a minute, okay? The lady will tell you. Okay.
Come on, let's check. Sit move up first. We have to ask a lady. Yes, come in. Jamie, train is slow. Jamie.
Yeah, I know, I just told it that one. Jamie's upset. Oh no, Jamie's got the slow one. Yeah, it's slow, he's getting upset.
Come on, they're
Oh, well done, Connor, very good.
Yes, we go I know, yes.
No, now.
No, they're waiting for their kids.
Ciella's like, I want to
This
get
is the excavator. This is the excavator, Daddy.
Yes.
And the tow truck over there.
Going on. Oh. What's going on? It's still bumpy.
What we're going on now? Was this called the ground shuttle or something? Yeah, ground shuttle. Ooh. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, we go like 1 meter.
Oh, we're going up.
3 meters up.
Ooh.
This is like 10 meters up. Why oh, that's why we're reversing.
Whoa.
This is like on higher.
Whoa, is that good?
Wow. No, Mama. I don't get
Oh, look, Maximus is digging for his gold. You have to come down a bit, you're a bit high still. That's it. Way! Yay! Way! Look at you, you're a pro! Gonna go on the spinny dizzy.
Okay, so as you're going around, I will be watching you. If for whatever reason you do want to come off, just give me a thumbs down or stop, alright? If you like the ride, thumbs up, yeah?
Oh, you want me to hold on to it? Yeah. You're gonna be okay.
Hold on tight, guys.
What if you just sit down?
Oops. Oh my god! many fun things. Look, it's a buggy thing. And a daddy. Oh, the Lila. Mr. Jamie are going on again. They obviously enjoyed it. Wow, is that a nice cookie? Make you want to dance? No?
This is bigger, isn't it?
Yeah.
Spinny dizzy.
Spinny dizzy?
Yeah.
Spin dizzy. You just think everything's a buffet, don't you? Princess, what you got? Strawberry, yum. Connor, what you got? Oh, you got bubblegum. Yum. That's delicious. Mussel wrap. So we got 4 ice creams. And they come to how much, Daddy? £12, people. Expensive ice cream. We'll have to get 2 more in a minute as well.
It's a buggy thing.
How are you enjoying your day? I'm just giving you an interview.
Good.
Yeah? What's your favourite thing so far?
Probably those.
Oh, the little toy ones. They were quite fun actually, weren't they? Which one was your favourite? The Skittles or the digging for gold? So, quick interview. How's your day going?
Amazing.
What's your favourite thing?
I'm not 100% sure.
You're not 100% sure yet?
I like the racing cart. I like it. Can we go in there? Yes, it's quite good. Can we get the excavator?
Connor, what's your favourite thing so far?
Spinny dizzy.
Spinny Diz. That was good, was it? Are you having a nice day today? Yeah, are you having a good time at Diggerland? Would you come again? Quick! Who's gonna win? Who's gonna get Mummy's cuddles? Lala got Mummy cuddles.
Going up.
Up to the moon.
Going up.
Up here, I see it. Yeah, no, Daddy was all around us.
Mummy, can we fall? Straight down. Oh, yes, I can.
Now here there's a train track here. Oh, lots of boats in it, and they're cute. Hello.
The hygiene and social distance has been good here, hasn't it? Like as soon as every ride's been finished with, it's clean no matter what ride it is. Back on the boys' favourite ride. Oh, Maximus has got a slow one. Oh no, Maximus. Oh, you're not paying attention, Mr. Woods. No, we went to the toilet. Come on, Maximus, why you go so slow?
Come on.
Come on, Maximus. Here at Diggerland, they have the dig-in, which has obviously got all their food and stuff. And next to it is the Digger Den. It's not open at the moment, so that's the indoor play area. Ciella, come on, baby. Ciella, come on. It's closed now. Ciella, come on. Why are you such a pickle? I'm gonna kick you right that big fat butt of yours. Yeah, so here's a food menu. Which is not too bad, really. They have and stuff. Last place to go on any day out, the gift shop. To spend probably more money than it costs to get us here. How was your day?
It was amazing. It was so much fun.
Yeah.
And we got an excavator.
Did you enjoy your time at Diggerland?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you like to go again?
I just been dizzy.
Would you like to go again?
No.
Yeah. What? Would you like to go to Diggerland another day?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah? Did you like it, Lila?
No. First I thought it was going to be boring.
You're scared. Did you enjoy it, Daddy?
Yep, thank you.
I wish it was a little bit bigger. Yeah, and more like big, like us ride.
Yeah, I wish it was a bit bigger.
Yeah, it was
Like a lot more rides.
Yeah, it was a bit small, wasn't it? A bit babyish for the price.
Yeah.
But at least we've done it. Had a day out. It was good, hey? So, what do you say?
It's out of 10.
Yeah.
10.
I'll give it an 7.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll give it like. I don't actually know yet.
Okay, well, please like and subscribe
Now subscribe.
and watch our new videos.
Click the bell so you never miss another video.
That's it. Say bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.